back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, yes, welcome to Patois Chronicles, of course, Jamaica, land of reggae music. So I give a little clippings that look on the, the thing and thing. So yeah, come here and make some fun and enjoy yourself. Your work all, come and make some fun.
So see a fun set when you come to the island and there things you can eat the food, the places and then something down. So we're gonna look for the thing now, right? Say bench and batty. What is that?
Hey Marblehead boy, make you can't walk alone. Yandy the bench and batty. Watch this entire video now. Boom. First panelist, answer. You know, answer the bikini. You're here in Jamaica, you'll hear like that. You not answer the bikini or pick-me. Alright? So depending on where you're coming here in Jamaica, some will say pick-me and some will say picking-me. Alright? So try it now. You not answer the bikini. Say picking me or pick me. In English though, of course, answer. Are you going to answer the child? Are you going to answer the child? Tell me now.
You don't answer the child. You don't hear the child talk to you. Are you going to answer the child? Alright? Yay.
Great job. Gonna clap yourself. Oh no, next on the list. All your corner. Here in Jamaica, you come and you behave and you trespass or you're going like, you're better than somebody. Or, fast na people business and them thing there. All your corner. You're too fast, go all your corner. You come here in Jamaica, and this is, of course, is an insult. So you come here, but look how I'm going in an English translation already. Papa Jesus. Anyway, rewind. Bloop. Yeah. Hold your corner. You come here in Jamaica, you have to know that one here. Somebody about you, hey, go hold your corner. And we know exactly what you mean. Look at you. And so the translation, of course, is in English, meaning description. Yeah. Keep your position, often used as an insult to put someone in their place. Yes. Alright? Next panelist, bench and batty. Yes. Look how me really chastisement no or chastisement or Patois, so I'm gonna chat the Patois them and go, yeah, for that one here. It's not bad word I'm saying. Bench and batty. You come here in Jamaica, hey Marblehead boy, make you can't walk alone, eh? You want the one Diddy a bench and batty? Yes. Say it. Hey Marblehead boy, make you can't walk alone. You are Diddy a bench and batty. You come here in Jamaica, of course, you don't know full of attitude and the expression and bear thing. And we give your name to say Marblehead boy. Parents, yes. So the English translation feet here, of course, meaning description. A term used to describe two people who are rarely seen without each other. Inseparable, right? This term is derived from the relationship one's bottom, the batty, as to a bench. Next on the list, big up. Big things are going for you. Sentence, my like what go on, big up, yeah man, long time. I like what go on, I like how they see. And some of us will put a little bit more into it and say, yeah you, yes, the new, the younger version or the younger generation. What version may I say? What is that? Anyway, get back into it now. You try it. Me like, not like. Fix up your mouth, man. Come on, fix up your mouth. Yeah, so fix up your mouth and say it now. Me like wa go on in big up Yeah, man. Alright now, so yes, so English translation, congrats or congratulations, greetings, meaning and description in a phrase in which used as accomplishment or praise to someone, hello or my regards. See, come on now, jam down. You can't see it now. Yeah, man, big up. Big things are going for you next on the list. Affy. You must hear that one here already. Me Affy got town na the Maras, you know. My Affy said that Affy. Yeah, that one here easy cheesy lemon squeezy. You must get that Affy. Me Affy go a town. Yes, me someone said me Affy go to the market tomorrow. Yeah, man, me Affy they go cause Thursday market. Then me Affy go in the Maras, in the Maras. Look for you, no pattern. Look for you. Creole, of course, is the word for it. Even Patois of its own Patois in it, if you understand or if you overstand. So you see when you get it and you go on good enough. But like how now go on in there. Yeah, you done well. You ready for the test? You ready? If you're ready for the test, the type down say I'm ready. And congratulations. You know, give yourself on a clap on. So the next one, you know, English translation to it have to. The sentence, we have to be at the airport on time, which is true. Right? We have to be at the airport on time. You want the flight leave you? Alright. So you say it now. So you want to try it in a Patois? Alright, try it in English now first. You can say English, you can speak English, so the Patois. So take a little time, look in front of the mirror and don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to express yourself. In a Jamaica would I say express yourself. See there out the road bad. Yes, guys, we come to the end of another Patois Chronicles. Yes, see you in Morning Glory at 6:30 a.m. according to my shift time of work because of work, right? My schedule. And of course, games night 7:30 p.m. for the week here. Eastern time, jam down settings. Come in and learn the Bible and more thing and come up with children talk. No? And just ease down the vibes. So remember to check out my members listed down in the description, and the first comment of course is Jessie's World. Check her out again. You're up there, but she's listed down in the description. Go in there and check them out and connect with them. Connect. When you connect with them, tell them say yes or the shout out thing. So I'm gonna give another giveaway. You don't know so the things and you get something. So until then, see you. Bye.